Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energies ng kaperahan. Money, career, finances for April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Aries. What's up? Crystal. Crystal is about purification, cleansing rin, no? Healing, self-healing. So maaring nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection, no? Sa sarili mo na kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin, no? Pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng finances mo or pagdating sa performance mo sa trabaho at yung mga strategies mo pagdating sa business. So, I see you that you are aligning your actions doon sa mga goals mo. Kasi pag aligned yan, talagang you will be able to manifest yung iyong mga desires, yung mga goals mo. Let's see what else, Aries. Ascendant, yes, this is about yourself. Focus ka sa sarili mo ngayong April kung paano mo mas ma-improve yung sarili mo in so many ways. Pwedeng improving your abilities, yung skill set mo, pwede ring yung iyong mind, no? Maaring mag-aaral ka. Yung iba naman sa inyo, this can be your physical appearance, the way you present yourself to others. You also have the 10th house, which is your career or your reputation. So, some of you, Aries, meron kayong major goal pagdating sa career ninyo. Maaring meron kayong gustong ma-achieve at don't worry kasi I see you achieving that, no? Yung goal mo for your career. Maaring ito ay recognition or yung iba, maaring ito ay promotion sa trabaho. Let's see what else. I also see you na mas magiging competitive na sa career, sa business. Meron kang gustong patunayan eh. Oo. Page of Swords. So, you are learning, you are maaring meron kang bagong inaaral ngayon. Related sa pera, related sa career. Yung iba sa inyo may training na attenan. Okay, so this is your overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, money, your career, at kung wala kayong work, ito yung energy. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Hermit. So this is healing, this is solitude, inner work. So talagang meron kang inaayos sa sarili mo. Kumbaga kino-condition mo yung sarili mo na self, ano ba yung kailangan kong i-improve? Ano ba yung kailangan kong i-let go? Ano yung kailangan kong ayusin? Oo. Also have the King of Cups. This is being empathic, charismatic. So I think mas you are going deeper within you. Hindi lang to yung basta para sa sarili mo lang, but also the legacy na gusto mong maiwan for your family, for yourself, no? Kumbaga, ito rin yung pangarap mo para sa sarili mo at para sa iyong family. Now, your overall energy is the 6 of Wands. Oh my God. Aries, meron talagang recognition sa inyo. Maaring meron kang mga magagandang magagawa para sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo, and people will recognize yung mga work mo, yung efforts mo, yung performance mo. You're also gaining attention. So, if you are a social media influencer, content creator, you will gain more followers. Maaring mas mai-improve mo yung social media presence mo. Na eventually, no, ikaw rin yung magbe-benefit dyan. Your challenge is the 3 of Cups. Pwede magkaroon ka ng challenging situation with a friend. Oo, na maaring, minsan kasi sa pagkakaibigan may competition, no? Oo, sometimes they are silently competing with each other. Kunyari, they are sinusuportahan yung isa't isa, pero actually, uh, you want to compete kung sino mas magaling, sinong mas, ahead, 'di ba? So, your opportunity is the Two of Cups. You have the opportunity to partner with someone. This can be business partnership. Pwede rin tong sa sarili mo, no, na parang you are asking yourself, what can you do better, no? But for some of you, maaring papasok ka sa business partnership, or yung partner mo ngayon, sinusuportahan ka sa yung mga goals, financial goals, career goals, business goals. And then your blessing is the Five of Swords. As a blessing, this is about para siyang blessing in disguise. Kasi yung iba, maaaring magkaroon ng conflict sa isang tao na kaya ito mangyayari is because this person is meant for you to get to know kung ano ba yung intentions niya sa'yo when it comes to your money. Pwede kasing meron kang kaibigan na nandyan lang para sa'yo dahil sa benepisyong nakukuha niya sa'yo. Pero once na wala na siyang nakuhang benefits, doon mo na makikita yung totoong ugali niya. And I also see na kung kayo yung may competition na sasalihan, let's say sa trabaho, ikaw yung mananalo dito, or ikaw yung mare-recognize. Kahit yung simpleng halimbawa sa work, perfect attendance, ikaw yung makakuha ng perfect attendance, mga ganon. Even small recognition is valid, no? Or ikaw yung i-consider kaysa sa iba. Oo. And then for your money, you have the Knight of Pentacles. So pagdating sa finances mo, very steady, very stable. I think nagfo-focus ka ngayon kung paano mas makaipon pa ng pera. Oo, maaring hindi ka masyadong gagastos ngayong April. You will focus on building a solid foundation in your finances. And then, your career or job, you have the Four of Wands, freedom, and also celebration. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron talaga kayong isi-celebrate. This can be an achievement, no? Or meron kang natapos na project na naging successful siya. Pwedeng personal project yan, pwedeng sa business mo, sa career mo, sa trabaho. I also see you na parang parang may ili-lead ka, no? You will be leading a group or leading a company, no? Na kung saan mare-recognize yung leadership mo. And then, for those na walang work, you have the Hierophant. I think you are, meron kang inaaral. Meron kang kinukonsulta na mentor or someone who's going to teach you how to do things. For example, yung mga nagme-mentor sa social media, kung paano magsimula na maging content creator, social media influencer, or TikTok affiliate. So, things like that. Maaring meron kang inaaral or gusto mong ma-master na abilities. At ngayon, inaaral mo siya para pag pinasok mo, alam mo yung ginagawa mo. 'Di ba? Oo. You also are you going to balance your career and personal life? So, syempre, kung ikaw ay may iba pang priorities, kailangan may oras ka rin doon. Some of you, maaring bibili ng bahay, any property. Maaring you are starting to build a strong foundation pagdating sa career or sa business mo. And very much determined ka. Determinado ka sa gusto mong makuha, sa gusto mong marating. At number 1 dyan is yung consistency mo. Dapat consistent ka. Always show up. the power to heal the earth is within you. You also have this healing energy para sa sarili mo, especially in your finances, in your career. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yes. So, iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong kailangang pagdesisyonan regarding your job, your finances, your business na hindi mo kailangang patagalin yung decision mo. Kailangan lang magtiwala ka sa instinct mo, sa intuition mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.